Hi Hackster community, my name is Andre, and let me introduce you to my project. This is my drowsiness monitor. Let me show how does it works. It's supposed to, I'm driving right now, but in the case that I start to getting a little sleep, just look what happens. I close my eyes, it's supposed that I am starting to sleeping, driving, and that's it, basically. This camera detects that I'm start closing my eyes and to start beeping to notice me that something is wrong, that I'm falling to sleep. And yeah, it works. There is another thing. When I crash, this device is going to send you a real-time notification to your loved ones. Just let me show you. Suppose that I'm driving and unfortunately I crashed. And there is real-time notification